we are looking at how to pronounce this made-up word, as well as how to say other interesting words too. So this is a made-up word made by typing all letters one after the other from the middle row of letters on your computer keyboard. So you type Asdfghjkl. How do you pronounce this? Asdfghjkl. 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 And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting, to say the least, words as well, including how to say the word made up with the top row on your computer keyboard. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.